Hello, Mad Yogi Tribe. This is your Mad Yogi Eileen, bringing you the fifth installment of our mini flow challenge, our mini flow series. Now, we are going to do something that is similar to our plank arms, but whenever I teach plank, I always say the hands are a little farther away, a little not absolutely in line with your shoulders, which when we bring our chest down gives you this position of the arms. Really bad for the corners of your wrist and your elbows and your shoulders as well, because this tends to happen. So for our planks today, a little wider than the shoulders, or even wider if you need to, and it'll make sense later, because when we bring our chest down, we don't want this position of the arms to happen, yeah? So just a little wider or even wider if we want to. So come to our mats, shake the body out. Now, interlace your fingers, right thumb on top, press your arms up. Inhale, lengthen up here without hiking the shoulders up to your ears. Really hard to breathe there, and really gives you shoulder pain, base of the neck pain. Urdhva Hastasana, upward facing hands, upward facing arms. Now get to know the movement of the arms here, because it will be reflected later when we're down on the mat. Bend your right elbow, drift the arms to the left side. If you mirror me, that's fine as well. Bring your hands behind your head, drifting your arms to the right side. Lengthen them out to the right side, pushing through the flats of your hands. Yeah, we're not just, opening the arms. You're pushing through them and back to center. Yeah? Bend your right elbow. One more circle to the left side, behind the head, out to the right side, and center. Release the interlacing of your hands. Bring your left thumb on top, just balancing out the activation of our joints to the right side. Bending your left elbow, drifting and pulling a little bit of your arms to the right side. Your arms are behind your head, yeah? Center, left side, and up. One more to the right side. I'm just showing you how it is. Behind my head, center, to the left side, and up. From here, open your legs nice and wide. Yeah? Allow your feet, knees, and hip joints to point diagonally out to the corners of your mat. Bend your knees, release your arms, and bring them down on the mat in line with your feet first. High on your claw hands. Never hyperextend your finger joints. From here, extend your arms forward. I hope you can see my hands. Extending the arms as far forward as they'll go, then bring them flat on the mat. From here, with your knees bent, drift your body weight to the right side. Don't move your hands from where they are. Anchor them on the mat or on the floor. Drift your body weight to the right side. Right knee bends, left leg extends. Circle your body up, right side, and to center. So the top of the body is very similar to a plank pose, yeah? Bend your left knee, drift down in a circling motion. We're not just drifting out to the side, circle down the left side and back to center. In our pyramid dog, this is what I call pyramid dog. It's a wide-legged, short stance, downward facing dog. From here, left knee bends, circle up left side, center, circle down right side, center towards the back. That's one per side. Right knee bends, circling up forward, circle down to the left and center. Left knee bends, circle up, center, down the right, and center. One more per side. Right knee bends, circling up. Center, circle down the left, and to the back. Pyramid dog. One more left side. Pyramid dog circle. Center, down the right, and back to your pyramid dog. From here, left knee bends, circle up left side. Center, circle down right side, center towards the back. That's one per side. Right knee bends, circling up forward, circle down to the left, and center. Left knee bends, circle up, center, down the right, and center. One more per side. Right knee bends, circling up, center, circle down the left, and to the back. Pyramid dog. One more left side. Pyramid dog circle, center, down the right, and back to your pyramid dog. From here, left knee bends, circle up left side, center, circle down right side, center towards the back. That's one per side. Right knee bends, circling up forward, circle down to the left, and center. Left knee bends, circle up, center, down the right, and center. One more per side. Right knee bends, circling up, center, circle down the left, and to the back. Pyramid dog. One more left side. Pyramid dog circle, center, down the right, and back to your pyramid dog. From here, walk your feet in, knees down, so you're in a cat pose, yeah? But what I want you to do is, I'll do it this way. I want you to do, walk your hands a little bit more forward, body weight forward, so you are in a knee plank. You're not in a cat pose anymore. You are in a knee plank. You're welcome to do this in a full plank as well, yeah? But because my studio here is a little limited and I want you to see the movement, I am going to do it in a knee plank. From here, drift your body weight forward. My hands are wider, yeah? Wider than my shoulders. Bend your right elbow. Drift the body to the right side. As we did, adjust yourself here. Center, left side, and to the back. Yeah, see that? Bend your right elbow. Drift your body to the right side. As we did with our legs. Center, to the left side, you're pushing through your right arm, you're bending your left elbow, and back up, and center, and to the left. Drift the body weight, left, bend, skim down, push up to the right, and center. How are we? One more to the left. Drift the body weight to the left, bend, skim center, pushing up to the right, and center. Push back in a wide armed, extended child's pose. And one more set of that, waving up, forward, back into a knee plank. Again, you can also do this in full plank, but I think knee plank is enough. Alternate circles, just two per side. Starting with the left. Left, bend, drift center, push up right, center up. Right, bend, skimming, pushing up left, center. Left, bend, skim center, push up right, center. Last one. Right, bend, skim center, pushing up, and come to the center. And push yourself back. And one more set of that, waving up, forward, back into a knee plank. Again, you can also do this in full plank, but I think knee plank is enough. Alternate circles, just 2 per side. Starting with the left. Left, bend, drift center, push up right, center up. Right, bend, skimming, pushing up left, center. Left, bend, skim center, push up right, center. Last one. Right, bend, skin center, pushing up and come to the center and push yourself back. And one more set of that, waving up, forward, back into a knee plank. Again, you can also do this in full plank, but I think knee plank is enough. Alternate circles, just 2 per side. Starting with the left. Left, bend, drift center, push up right, center up. Right, bend, skimming, pushing up left, center. Left, bend, skim center, push up right, center. Last one. Right, bend, skin center, pushing up and come to the center and push yourself back. Walking your hands in front of you, waving yourself up, coming into a kneeling pose, a virasana, with your sit bones on your heels. You can also use a cushion or a block, or if you want to, and I'll show you this way, if you can sit between your heels as well, you can do this too. Yeah? And we're just going to sit here for a while and massage your wrists. Squeeze your wrists, squeezing up and down your forearms, your hand, especially really literally the wrist, yeah? That was a really strong wrist challenge mini flow. Good. From here, let's do something. This sets my wrists back nicely. I don't know if it will work for you, but let's do it anyway. Hands in strong fist, not loose fist, yeah? Really curl your fingers in. As they teach in martial arts, curl your fingers in, then bring your knuckles together in the middle and push. They're not just there and not doing anything. You are pushing them in. See how your knuckles slot in together? After a few seconds of this, just shift your knuckles. And release. And squeeze your hands. I don't know about you, but for me, it sets or it resets my wrists quite nicely. And I am invigorated and energized and ready for the rest of the day. If you want to lie back down in Shavasana and have a few seconds in Shavasana, or however long you want, you're welcome to do that. But I like, with my mini flows, I like to do it and get on with the rest of the day. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next mini flow. Well done on finishing your class. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you want ad-free premium versions of this class, the entire library of classes, not all of the channels are going to appear here on YouTube, and the course and workshop channels as well, and the workshop sheets, some of which are exclusive to the Mad Yogi Club members. So come and join me on our website, madyogi.net, and I will see you in the next class. Bye!